The footage was captured by a car's camera in the parking lot. A tornado with wind speeds of hundreds of kilometers per hour swept through and wiped out the entire shopping center in just a few seconds. The fishermen at the lake captured an avalanche from the mountain peak. The avalanche looked like a cascading white waterfall, creating a truly impressive scene.
Wow.
Whoa! It's a twister!
A large tornado appeared in the desert in Sakaka, Saudi Arabia, creating a scene that terrified many people.
They call us storm chasers.
Only when it does, if you get in it.
Despite being a tornado, this one appeared gentle and serene, quite unlike the usual menacing demeanor associated with such storms.
So crazy! That is, look at it, still spinning up there.
Yeah!
Huh.
The video recorded by a staff member at the Sunrise Beach Resort went viral on social media, attracting hundreds of thousands of views and comments. Residents and tourists on Koh Lipe Island, Satan Province, Thailand, were amazed when they unexpectedly witnessed a rare phenomenon: 4 waterspouts simultaneously appearing off the coast of the Andaman Sea, east of the island. According to witnesses, the strange phenomenon lasted for nearly 15 minutes and disappeared when rain arrived. Mount Ibu, located on Halmahera Island in North Maluku Province, erupted, sending a thick column of black smoke and ash 3.55 kilometers west of the summit. The eruption lasted over 3 minutes. Local authorities have advised residents and tourists to stay at least 2 kilometers away from the crater. The temperature of magma can often reach hundreds or even thousands of degrees Celsius, far exceeding the temperature range that plants can withstand. Magma destroys everything it comes into contact with. A massive hailstorm with hailstones the size of baseballs. The tornado, known as a dust devil, swept up dust, dirt, rocks, and weeds into the air and struck a car driving on the road. A massive sandstorm with a radius of 50 kilometers descended like a tsunami in Qinghai Province, China. The storm seemed to want to swallow the group of tourists on the road. A bridge collapsed due to floodwaters in front of witnessing residents. A billboard over 30 meters high in Ghatkopar, the financial center of Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, collapsed after a storm and heavy rain, killing at least 11 people and injuring 70 others. The scene took place at a coal mine, where the tornado appeared for only 15 minutes before disappearing. It was an impressive black tornado.
goes. Look, here, here.